Yeah, we're just putting up this small little tunnel mainly for our seedlings, so we can have a nice little bench here to start off all our seeds for the field.
Take much help there.
We do. We have Matt and Sally as always. We have our great German worker here, Philip, and Johnny, the workhorse. But yeah, we ploughed there a couple of weeks ago with horses, and that was amazing because that's my dream of the farm here, is to use horsepower, not tractor power. This guy Mick O'D still uses horses in the forestry, and he has all the old tools, and just great to use his knowledge and his experience. And another traditional thing we used to do a lot in Ireland is bring home your own turf, and I did it for the first time last summer with my neighbour, and it was great. And it's kept us warm all winter, so thanks Dermot for letting me use his turf, and we'll get this finished and head for a quick surf, I think. You come for a surf, Sonny?
I don't know exactly how the wind will blow, but I do know that I'm happy here with you. Walking the sunrise, sleeping in the moonlight, when you're shining by my side. You, my vast ocean, you cover me, deep and wide. I walk in the sunrise, sleep in the moonlight, when you're shining by my side. You, my vast ocean, you cover me, deep and wide. No, I don't know exactly how the wind will blow, but I do know that I'm happy there with you. No, I don't know exactly how the wind will blow, but I do know that I'm happy here with you. No, I don't know exactly how the wind will blow, but I do know that I'm happy here with you.
Whoa. It's a bit too high.